It hurt to walk. I just felt a little bit off. My back just hurt a lot. It's been amazing. It's helped a lot. I'm no longer in pain.
There and on your back. And lean back a little bit. Go forward. In here? Okay, let's do a little more work. Come back and forward. Go to the left just a bit. That'll get some pressure off. Have a great weekend.
I saw that he had great reviews, and I wanted, and I saw that it was a gentle way of getting adjusted, and I like that. And I just didn't want to be in pain. It hurt, and I didn't want it to get worse as my pregnancy progressed with the weight and my body shifting. So I knew that it was a good time.